How about last night?
What happened?
Hayden got a little sick.
Oh, he puked?
Yeah. Good morning. I just got the kids to school, so I want to go run and do a workout. And this is a day that when they go to their dad's after school. So it usually turns into a try to get as much stuff done as I possibly can day. So there will be lots of cleaning motivation. I have so much laundry I need to catch up on, but I want to get in the workout first. Into Michael's to see if they had any black like Halloween garland to see if I can make this kitchen work a little bit more right now. And they didn't have any. They already have Christmas stuff coming back up, and sorry, I just didn't film because they didn't have much. It just looked really crappy. They're clearly like in transition. I got a protein smoothie and just stopped at the car wash because one of the things I want to do today kind of reset this car. So we're gonna start there. It's not horrible in here, but just needs a little freshen up. I love these little mini trash cans that I have on the door. So great. Kids have one too back here. All right, just showered, did my hair and makeup because I'm gonna be meeting one of my friends to grab a drink later. One of the things I always like to do when kids are with their dad, if I can schedule in some girlfriend time, I do. But I'm starving, so I'm actually gonna go make a quick dinner, and there's so much cleaning and laundry that I have to do too, so.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you. Maybe I'll drown. Alright to let you down, rather you try to let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
Dinner is served. Oh my gosh, that sauce. Ooh, another amazing Home Chef dinner for the win. And a huge thank you to Home Chef for sponsoring today's video. Home Chef is a weekly subscription service that delivers fresh ingredients and easy to follow recipes directly to your home. It is perfect if you have a busy lifestyle like me. They have oven ready meals, 15-minute meals, and fast and fresh meals. Home Chef truly makes weeknight dinners effortless. There's over 20 new meals to try every single week, and I really like that I can find the meals that have over 30 grams of protein because I'm always trying to make sure I'm getting enough protein every single day. I love how affordable it is and that it is healthier than takeout. Recipes are so easy to follow and the kids love them as well. You can definitely find family-friendly options. And Home Chef's oven-ready meals are so easy. They come with an oven-safe tin, so you literally prep the meal right inside of the tin. So post-dinner cleanup is just a thing of the past. And there was a third-party survey that found that Home Chef had the easiest recipes and the best quality meals. Every single recipe I've made this week has been so easy and tastes amazing. So I agree. I'm gonna have a QR code here on the screen that you can scan, or you can click the link down in my description box below and you'll get 50% off of your first Home Chef box plus free shipping when you use my code Brianna K 50. And thank you again to Home Chef for sponsoring today's video.
I don't even know what I get in your head. Seeking your attention, but simple instead. Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Cause I know I am nobody to ya, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. Cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Just like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Like me like that. I don't even know what I get in your head. Seeking your attention, but simple instead. Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Cause I know I am nobody to ya, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. Cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Just like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Oh, really like that. Just like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Slow it down. Oh. Cause I know I am nobody to ya. And it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down. Hope you slow it down. Cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Will you like me like that? Just like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Like me like that. No, just like that. No, like me like that.
I'm so mad at myself right now. I was just filming and I knocked my camera off the tripod and it's completely busted, like will not turn back on. So just fun fact, when I do like sped up cleaning videos, they just never turn out as good if I film on my phone. Like regular when I'm talking videos, fine to film on my phone, but I always use my camera because I feel like they help the cleaning that are sped up just look cleaner. So for the rest of the cleaning I still have to do, I'm just gonna kind of film before and after. So hopefully it still gives you cleaning motivation while I go cry over having to buy a new camera that I did not expect to have to buy right now.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know.
Cute. The decor in here is such a vibe too for Halloween. Filming today.
Forty-five in the fourth quarter. And get to come back. Nobody knows. If anyone has that.
Is it good?
It looks better.
It looks cuter than it tastes.
I have this strangest feeling, don't know what to believe in. Cause every time you touch me, I can't control my body. Oh, baby, you are on my mind. All I think about, and I don't wanna stop. I don't wanna stop. Could you come closer to me? I just can't resist you. I'm giving up. I'm giving up.